So you guys saw 2 days ago, because I had to post a little video, little heart open video. If you guys didn't check that video, definitely go click up there. And yeah, I got the Grom here today. We got to go see if the Dakota is still where it is. So, gonna take the hat off, put the helmet on, and we're gonna go. Hopefully it's not gone. So guys, good news is, truck's still here. Bad news is, I have no one to come help me out. So I'm gonna make a few phone calls and see what I can do. So guys, Chris DeSanti is actually coming to help me. He was the one that was actually gonna get my truck out when I got stuck in a ditch. He's just always there to help, man. Such a good guy. And I just gotta go to his house. He's actually driving home right now and he's gonna give me a call when he gets home. Fuck, man! Everything keeps dropping off this fucking thing. My camera fell out of my hand. My gloves fell off the seat. My hat fell off the seat. What the fuck? We're gonna go meet Marcus at my house. So, we're here in Chris DeSanti's Jeep here. He came to the rescue. Will's ripping the Grom. Marcus is in his rental Jeep. And let's go get the truck.
Here, it's a paperweight.
How heavy is this?
It's a little.
What the fuck? This is so light. So, here's my drive shaft. Yeah, that's gonna stay there.
As it goes through the roof.
Look at how legit this is. This is so legit. Have you ever seen anything more legit in your life?
Dude, other than a tow truck, yes.
Alright, let's do this. I don't think I'm gonna be able to film much because I don't have power steering. Oh yeah! I have no idea what that sound is. It doesn't sound promising, guys. This doesn't sound good. This is quite terrifying. Jesus Christ. I really hope we don't get in trouble for this.
The stub shaft is so bad.
What's happening?
The bit section that you got left is going like this all over the place.
Jesus! Here we go again. What's up, dude? This is so fucking loud! We're gonna get in trouble. This is so loud! This is absurd! I can smell my brakes. They smell so bad. That was a ginormous hill. We're so close to home. This is so fucking bad. I hope the camera is picking up this sound because it is so loud. My brakes are smoking. My brakes are smoking. Jeez. Just a little farther, guys. Just a little more terror. Wake up call. Everybody wake up. It's 5 in the afternoon. Your eyes are the size of the moon. Woo! What a life. Definitely hit that subscribe button if you guys enjoyed this. Because I sure as hell am. You always got an adventure in your life, you know? They still smoking a little? You always gotta have fun in life. Oh, we're making a turn here. Hold on. No power steering here. There we go. There we go. We're picking up speed. Whoa! Whoa! We're going 25, baby. We made it. We fucking made it.
dragging my Jeep back.
I just didn't want to crash into you, dude, and I wanted to keep.
I didn't want you to crash into me.
Yeah.
You're the one that's smoking and making all that fucking shitty smell?
Yeah, dude.
Okay, I thought it was that Jeep. Because I fucking slammed.
So I came to pick up some souvenirs here before I crash. Or before someone hits me. We got some drive shaft pieces. Sick. So guys, we had to stop at the shop real quick so I can pick up my car. I'm actually kind of upset that I have to drive it right now. It's like super, super clean. And now I gotta go get it all dirty. But it's fun to drive, so fuck it. So guys, 11 o'clock at night right now. Just got a call from Marcus saying he's stuck in the woods and he wanted to know Chris DeSanti's number so we can go pull him out. And he asked if I wanted to come along with. And I definitely want to go because I thought it'd be very good for like this part of the video because like Chris DeSanti, he just helped me out with my truck and it's actually at his house right now. And in the same video, we got to go help Marcus. Oh, let's hit some boost here. I just drove my car. Holy shit. Gotta look. My brand new fucking tires are already low on air. No idea why. When VTEC kicks in. Woo! VTEC kicked in hard as fuck, bro. So here we are, back at it again. Chris DeSanti's going to pull someone out. This should be fun. I got my headlight with me, and I got my flashlight. Show you guys it works good, I'm not lying. So we just got on the trail, down to find Marcus. First snowbank. Felt like nothing. Can you squeeze through that?
Yeah.
Oh, this should be fun. I can't believe they went through this. This has got to be a pretty reputable Jeep here. Fuck the trees. Oh yeah. I don't believe they made it through that. I really don't. I guess we'll have to find out up here. A tight squeeze here. This is awesome. Oh my god.
We're taking that down.
We're taking this down. We're taking the tree down. Oh my god. Oh, fuck the tree. Right there. There's so much snow. Alright, now we gotta find them still. We found them! What are they doing?
I don't know. I don't know what the fuck they're stuck on.
Doesn't even look like there's any snow around them. Looks like they hit a tree or something. There they are! So Marcus, what did we learn today?
Fuck you.
What did we learn today, Marcus?
Not to go mudding at the fucking night.
Stick with your cars, dude.
Yeah, right?
Stick with your cars.
I like staying in the ground.
Dude, it was nice to get out here.
So he's getting his kit ready here. Definitely go follow him on Instagram. He helps everyone out. Help me out in the truck. Helping Marcus trying to get back to his cars here. He's trying to find his place.
Yeah, right?
Marcus bought a Jeep.
Yeah,
Tell everyone.
I'm not wheeling it.
Throw down in the comments he should have bought a car.
It's going lower. It's fucking going higher. The tree branch is right above your window.
So Marcus is 10 brewskis in here.
No, that's fine.
You feeling it, Mr. Krabs?
I'm feeling it, dude.
And that is how you pull somebody out.
Getting hung up on little stuff is what gets you.
So that kid's not too stoked that he got stuck on my YouTube channel, but that's the price you gotta pay for getting stuck here. You never know who's gonna come. Nope, he's not getting out. He's looking for 0-2 right now. Oh my. Yeah. Why does that sound so terrible? Doesn't it? Oh! Oh shit! He just fucked his light up, dude. He's... Oh my god! This is gold. This is fucking gold.
Hey, bud, I cracked it.
Coolant? Radiator?
That's something. I done fucked it up in the tree.
I saw that.
Chris, cut your shit.
Ow! I just got.
Turn it off.
I got. Wait, what?
Turn it off.
Oh, this?
Yeah. Yeah, that.
Oh, look at this tie rod right here. Look at his wheels. That one's like that, and that one's like that. Cracked headlight, overheating. What are we gonna do?
Figure it out.
Chris, put that fucking thing away.
My light?
The camera.
It's not even on.
It's pointing.
Oh my god.
It's off now.
I wouldn't believe him either.
There goes the smoke.
Correct. One. Alright, let off for a sec. Bend way back on.
Oh my god. Doesn't it look worse almost?
No, it's gonna be worse.
So what are you guys doing right now?
Look into the sway bar because he's got no recovery points on the front, and this is about as solid as you get.
Alright. Rescue Jeep round 2.
Yeah.
Jeez. It's gonna like tip the truck over. So DeSanti's going right into the woods. Cause fuck it. Marcus.
Ready? Good. Ready? Yeah, you're good.
Hey!
There we go.
I say he just keeps going. We'll walk it.
Yeah.
This thing's smoking like a fucking freight train here. Didn't even make any sense. So actually,
All over the place.
pulling him against those rocks actually helped fix his tie rod, so his wheels aren't even that bad anymore. So hopefully he can make it out now. Oh, like butter. Let's see if he gets out
You should
here.
be able to get through there. That's easy.
So we made it out of the trail. The guy behind us, you can't see because he crashed.
Padiddle.
And yeah, padiddle. But yeah, we're almost out. Well, we are out. We're just on the dirt road now. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that Jeep's smoking like a bitch. You can smell it too. So guys, we just got back to his house. Like I said, definitely go give him a follow. He's always helping people out, and who knows, maybe one day he'll need help. But that's gonna be it for this video. If you guys like this video, give a thumbs up. If you guys want to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one.